Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Golitech. Today we want to see how we can install Docker on our Linux machine, because the upcoming videos I'm going to talk about Docker security and how we can create safer images. So let's get started. But first of all, please do upgrade and also update. So these two commands for your Linux. And after that, we can install sudo apt install docker.io. So, and now we are going to install Docker. So it asks us if we want to use the space, so that's okay, and it doesn't take that much time, I assume. And yeah, after that, so we will be able to use Docker on our Linux machine. And just a little bit more, and I think it's done. So yeah, we have it here. And if we want to say systemctl status Docker, yeah, you can see it's here and it's active. So it was this for this video. It was a really short video, just we wanted to install Docker, but in next videos we are going to work more with Docker. So I hope you enjoyed. See you and have fun.